I came to see my uncle, but he's not around. I don't know. I don't do this often. What do you do often?
Funny Bone Live, Aina San.
We're going to very quickly receive the next guy. This guy coming up on stage is a very amazing friend of mine. This guy has practically taken over the city of Abuja with his skits because he will tell you what is happening, where it's happening, and how it's happening. Ladies and gentlemen, a very amazing friend of mine. Please help me welcome the best way you can, MC Miti.
Since 1947.
My God! Ladies and gentlemen, my name is MC Miti, your favorite Abuja tour guide. You guys know that whatever I tell you about this town is so genuine, it's so real. You can take to the bank, but you will never. My God! You see, this town don't tire me. Where all the Guardian people make some noise. Oh, your phone, oh. They can lie. This guy come out here, they talk about beggars. Say Lagos get beggars. He never see corporate beggars for Abuja. Corporate beggars? Why? Excuse me, I'm coming from Zuba. You are coming from Zuba and you are in Anya. How you reach there? How you reach there? I came to see my uncle, but he's not around. I don't know. I don't do this often. What do you do often? If I say God will punish you, what do you do often? This town not the time. The other day I told you some things were don't invest me for this town. I use God beg now. Who introduced Arabian tea for this Abuja? Who did that? Vodi, I beg. Vodi, no. You see the thing, ba? Make I know. You pay me. Obi, you drink Arabian tea. Who introduced them to this town? It's not everywhere. I don't have issue with Arabian tea being sold in Maitama or in Gimbian streets. I don't get issue. Who carry Arabian tea goes to bar? Who did that? I didn't say they serve me Arabian tea. Give me, say, I know what really makes Arabian tea in the jug. They bring that jug, give me, say Arabian tea, IMC, Miti, Abuja tour guide, come Arabian tea, they give me the jug. I tested it to God who made me. Lipton the inside. No, stop, you should stop this in this town. This is not the rich. The next thing we don't do too much for this town, na real estate. I use God beg now. This is getting too much. We can need to know this. Do you know that the number of real estate companies in this town is now more than the estates that are real? I know say this town, VIO go stop you, say your car don't get roadworthiness. Where you park there, you go to see useless cars who not even supposed to take the road at all. I don't really want to talk because after the Sunday when they come on the 29th of this month, now my show for this same hall for a year. Thank you very much. So I won't keep waiting, I won't talk. But before they make a talk this thing, this town too light packaging. The worst thing that can happen to you in this town. Now when you did this town, you don't get money. God. Have you seen a rich man go to the ATM? Someone like Kubana Vudi. When they reach ATM like this, immediately they slot in their card inside the ATM. And the ATM read the account balance. Even if they don't off the sound of the ATM go on itself back. Then they welcome. Please enter your secret number. Then go press small pin. You go hear the machine, they suffer, they count their money. Poor man, when they back, they say, I beg now, we draw small now. Poor man! Then the machine go come bring out the money. AC go they blow the money. AC go they blow the money. They go collect the money. Because rich men, they polite. They go say they apologize to the poor. Sorry. Mind you, they will never count it. Never. It's not in their. They trust the machine. Poor man to that 70th. From From far, you go, they ask useless question. He they pay. You know they pay, that will line up. Then he did for this line, oh. He did this line. He can't discover, say, if like say this line, they move faster than this line. You can't tell them, hey, bros, I did your back, just in case. Which one you did? Choose one. Then you go reach in turn, you can't cover the whole machine. Can't tell I'm on a shift now, when I want to see my pit. I swear to God who made me for Cuba. Now, I had to call the guy. I said, come, how much you want to withdraw? I call POS. I use my money, withdraw from POS. Give the guy, say, idiot, get out from this line. Then they come press useless pin. Immediately they press enter. 2-5. Do you know that in this town, there's a difference between car and motor? When you start a car, it starts like mess. You can be sitting on the bonnet, you're going to say car don't start. But Vodi, do you know that when you start a motor, you go first laugh, you will get out. At the time, it even hiss. Ladies and gentlemen, 29th September is my first show in Transcorp Hilton. Obi, I use God beg you, it's my first show. Vodi. I don't know person, we no person. I don't make you laugh. It's first show in Transcorp Hilton. As they come up for this place now, and they go back, come meet you for this show. Abuja, wanna help me beg them. Wanna say, I beg, oh. Help MC Miti. Son, Abuja, I beg you. May Abuja no come God, I swear for you too. Good night.
Funny Bone Live, Aina San.